Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of our Thursday Space. Today I would have to say that we finally have a UAE federal family business law, which as lawyers we have been waiting for as long as a time where we have witnessed with our clients the need for this matter to be regulated. And I could say for the last at least 10 years. Family business in the UAE was addressed indirectly under the UAE's companies law with the intent to try to limit outside investment in a family business, and also in the personal status law in terms of inheritance and succession planning. However, there was always a gap in the UAE regulation and legislation, and an independent law directly addressing the family business in this jurisdiction was critically needed, which is what we finally have now. I am very proud to be among the lawyers who have been consulted on the drafts of this law in a number of rounds of discussions, and to be also among the first lawyers who had published a commentary on what is now the Federal Decree Law number 37 of 2022, addressing family business, and that was for LexisNexis. In terms of its application, the family business law in the UAE applies to the free zone in all Emirates, including the DIFC and ADGM, but remains also subject to the relevant companies' laws in each emirate. Under this law, and in regard to its structure, a family business may be owned by any number of shareholders. However, limited liability companies are capped at a maximum of 50 shareholders. Since a family business is typically made up of a board of directors led by a chairman, the board must also hold managerial status in the company, with the exception of the chairman. A director in a family business may be a legal entity, but there must be at least one physical person on a board of directors. In terms of setting up a family business, a family charter must be drafted. The family charter is a written document organizing the governance of the affairs of the family relevant to the family company and the relationship between the family business and the family itself. Also, the family business must draft a set of articles of association to determine rights attached to the different classes of shares and the conditions to transfer voting shares to non-voting shares and vice versa. In terms of succession planning and sustainability, it is often the case that shareholders of a family business are family members and may have forced heirship rules in place to ensure the business remains within the family across generations. The UAE family business is rendered subject to this law only if registered in the Unified Register of Family Businesses. Resolutions 106, 107, and 109 of 2023, which have been issued by the Ministry of Economy on the administrative procedures of family companies, have been just announced last week, with the launch of the registry, which falls in line with Cabinet Resolution number 109 of 2023, which sets out the steps to register and deregister family businesses. The resolution also names relevant authorities in each emirate for the registry, which I would imagine are the Ministry of Economy offices in each emirate. For more information on this matter, please do not hesitate to contact us to advise you further. The team is all ready and waiting for your questions at any point. Thank you for being with us today.